If you're applying for a critical skills work permit from abroad and you're hoping nobody verifies your employment history, that is one of the fastest ways to get stuck at the visa stage. Example, Neil was based in Nepal and received a job offer as a back-end engineer from a company based in Cork Island. The salary was 68,000 euros and the role clearly matched the ICT category on the critical skills occupations list. His employer submitted the application on the employment permits online system. He filed, he submitted, provided the contract, company registration details, and the permit was duly approved by DET. But that was not the end of the process. Because Neil was outside Ireland, he applied for a long stay D visa. When the visa officer reviewed his file, they started verifying his employment history. One of the previous employers listed on his AWATs did not respond to the verification emails. The contact number they found online was outdated, HR had changed, and there was no written proof to support the work experience claim. That raised concerns about the authenticity of his employment history. The visa was refused even though the permit was approved by DET. Neil appealed the decision, but this time he supported his file properly. He submitted updated reference letters from reporting managers, signed experience letters on company letterhead, payslips for the full employment period, and bank statements showing salary credits. Once the employment history was verified, his visa was approved and he traveled to Ireland. He then registered his IRP and received the correct stamp to activate the permit. The lesson is simple: clean AWATS form, correct employment contract details and contact details, updated references, matching dates across all letters and payslips. If an embassy officer tries to verify your work history and they cannot reach anyone, it can delay or get you a refusal of your application. If you're worried about embassy checks, DM me your queries and follow along for more situational examples like these.